So today I'm gonna talk about what we called a foam, what we called also sound isolation, sound improving. So there is multiple name for this video or for these things. So this is today going about it because I really was suffering from it for like for a while until now, and the best solution I found with a lot of experience with many things to try to block this foam or this sound isolation on that wall. But at the end, the best way was to use 3M. There is, of course, many type of it. You can buy it as a packing, and that's for me was the best option or the best way because it's also more cheaper. Whatever a thing or a tool that you are using, it's gonna block on the wall. But the thing is, it's not gonna block, or it's not gonna block on the foam itself, because the foam it's really so smooth. So anything that you are trying to put it on it, so it will be take off from it, and will be maybe after maybe 1 hour, 2 hour. But for me, it's now on the wall for 2 weeks, and it's perfect. So also don't try carpet tape or double face tape. So this is, by the way, double face tape. It's really so strong. It's really strong. It's gonna stuck on the wall for whatever. But the thing is, when you are gonna take this out, it's gonna take also the paint from the wall because it's too strong. So I did it, and that's also happened with me. That's why I'm telling you that, because I want you to avoid this problem and just go directly to the best solution. That's it, guys. And I will put also some links in the description, so you can also buy from via these links, so I can also take a little bit of profit. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and invite some friends who really enjoy also like this content. And see you, of course, with the next video. Till that, stay tuned. Peace. Hi everyone, this is Ziyad from Geek Productions. This is the name of the new channel of ZTech. Before it was ZTech, and if you don't know, I just changed the name of it last week. So this is a new career, a new channel, a new content here on the channel. So I'm now proud to announce that I'm gonna work more with videography and photography, and of course unboxing and reviews as I usually do, and of course some sort of video solution or education videos for or about computers, editing, Adobe Premiere, and creative section, let me say that.